Hey everyone, Aubrey for Twist here, and I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of some pointers that I learned over the last couple of days from a local stylist here, Sherry. She's been really great working with us, and I love working with other stylists and bouncing ideas off each other. It's always nice to work in this community with everyone as a team. And she gave us some great pointers. I've had a lot of clients who have come back to me after their initial cut, and we've used the clips to gain some volume with their hair and their curls, and they've been very concerned about the fact that they can't use the clips and they don't really like what they get, the result they get, and it's always falling over and they don't really understand. And I've tried to show them some great YouTube videos, but have never really found a really great resolution for this problem. And Sherry gave us some tips, and I really liked, it's actually helped already in a couple situations for clients, is taking your double prong clips and bending the legs down so that it creates a flat bottom on both your small and your large clips. So that way when you take them and you take a section, it's really easy for them not to flop back and forth. Because when they're not like this and they're more like this, it's a lot harder. I can understand from like a client standpoint. I mean, granted, I know how to do it, but a lot of people, it's like flopping to this side or flopping to that side, and they're having a hard time trying to figure out how to put the clips in to get the best results and to get the most volume. Well, these bending the legs like this really does help kind of give you that hold there. So thanks to Sherry with Straight Up Curls for recommending that tip. That was really sweet, and hopefully everyone can benefit from it as well, and you will be able to use the clips in a much better manner and to give you a little bit more volume for your hair. Okay? Have a great Friday and have a great weekend, and we'll see you later, girlfriends.